What's up guys, welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to adjust the tension on the belt. You see that belt now is good, so it was loose and we adjusted, so I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust it as well. So let's start. So to tighten the belt you have to adjust the motor. So you see this nut, so you have to untie those, and we have two in the back too. I'm sorry, the total is 4, and you have to release this nut as well, so to be able to move the motor left and right. Okay, so if the motor go left, is gonna tighten the belt, so it's gonna give the tension to the belt, and if go right, it's gonna make the belt loose and you can change the belt. I'm gonna use the level here, so because I wanted these two sides to be level, so the motor is not crooked. Okay, so put the level here and make sure this bubble is on the middle. Okay, and after that you can tie the knot and you're good to go. So it doesn't matter if you have a big unit or a small unit, so all the belt is gonna be tight like this. So like see here is good, that tension, it should be just like that, a little plain. And now I'm gonna tighten this knot, so one here and one in the other side. So make sure both sides is tight, so when you turn the motor back on, especially on this huge motor, so it's gonna have a lot of vibration, so it could move the motor and in future get loose. It's gonna make the belt loose. And don't forget to tighten this 4 knot. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave the like for us, so I will show you how to fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. Have a great day.